how to fix Steam no controller detected. Here's what you want to do. Open up Steam, click on the logo in the top left and go into settings. Now here from the left hand side we are going to navigate to controller. Click on controller and then you want to go and select show advanced settings. Now idle gamepad shutdown timeout, you want to change this to never. Then here make sure enable Steam input for Xbox controllers is turned on, and also PlayStation controller support is set to enabled. Now you want to enable Steam input for Switch Pro controllers and also enable Steam input for generic controllers as well. And you want to leave this unchecked like it is. Also, Xbox extended feature support driver, if you are using an Xbox controller, click on this option to install it. After you have done this, you can close this and go into library. Now you want to right click on the game which you are trying to play with a controller, go into properties, choose controller, and then you want to click on use default settings to enable Steam input. Afterwards, your controller should work without any issues. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.